Here's a pair of the JBL 720 BT headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Roku TV via Bluetooth. So first thing is, let's go to the settings on the Roku TV. Just click on the home button. And then when you're on the home screen here, on the left pane here, you just want to go down to settings. Click on OK on the remote. And then we want to go down one to remotes and devices right there. Click on OK on the remote. And then we want to go down to wireless headphones right here. If you don't have wireless headphones on your Roku TV, then you don't have built-in Bluetooth. A workaround for you would be to connect the Bluetooth headphones to the Roku app on your phone. Okay, anyway, if you guys do have wireless headphones on here, then you do have built-in wireless, or you do have built-in Bluetooth. So I'm going to go ahead and select wireless headphones right there. And now, before I go down to the very bottom where it says add new wireless headphones, let's go ahead and put these into pairing mode first, okay? So on the right ear cup here, you have that one power button right here. So these are currently off. Let me put these into pairing mode. I know it's in pairing mode when it's blinking blue, 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 okay? So I'm gonna power button here, I'm gonna press and hold. I'm gonna keep on holding till I see a blinking blue light. Okay, ready, set, go. Power on. Pairing, and now it's blinking blue, 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 blue. It's in pairing mode. Now we're going to go back to the TV and we're going to go down to add new wireless headphones. Oops, right there. Click on OK. It's still in the pairing mode and it's going to take 30 seconds. We have to wait for the countdown to go down all the way to 0 seconds. So let's just be patient here now. 3, 2, 1, it's still in pairing mode, and voila, JBL Tune 720 BT. Make sure it's highlighted. Click on OK on the remote. It just said connected on the headphones. It says you're done right there. And you can see we're connected. You see the check mark right there. Now, if you guys had issues pairing or connecting, you can always reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description.